or just a few minutes.
Well, today, New York extended its emergency declaration tied to the measles outbreak. Health leaders voted to keep mandatory vaccination orders in an area with almost 400 cases. The CDC warned this is the worst measles outbreak in 25 years. So if you're uncertain about whether you're immune to the highly contagious disease, there's a surefire way to find out. I learned about a simple test you can do for your own peace of mind.
But since the outbreak, more people have been coming in to see whether or not they actually have the disease.
Lucretia Waller has noticed an uptick in folks asking about their measles immunity at the Any Lab test now in Buckhead.
If they were going to get immunized, it's just an injection. If you're trying to verify that you've been immunized, then blood draw.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention declared the disease eliminated in the U.S. in the year 2000, but this year has seen the largest outbreak in 25 years.
So if you're wondering if you perhaps have contracted the measles or are immune to it, it's as simple now as walking over to a shopping center and knowing for sure in 15 minutes.
Oh, it's a very quick process. The cost is only $49. Results come back in 1 to 3 days. And we actually ship the specimen to the lab for processing, and then they're resulted out to us, and then we'll result it back to you.
Waller believes self-diagnosing may be fueling some of their testing.
I'm guilty of it sometimes. They get online, Google certain symptoms. You think everything applies to you.
But 15 minutes now could bring you certainty in less than 72 hours.
A peace of mind is priceless.
Okay, so if you want to get tested, you do have to be 18 years old or be with a consenting adult. An MMR panel, as children are recommended to get for measles, mumps, and rubella, costs $129. Measles starts out with fever, runny nose, and cough before a rash begins to spread. You can read about all of the symptoms of the highly contagious disease. You'll find it there on our website.